Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Before I even continue, I wasn't planning to show my face on this video, so ignore how I look, just in case I look oily or sweaty on that side. So please ignore that. It's so hot in here. I wasn't planning to show my face on this video, but I've just noticed we don't have an intro of this video. I've just noticed I didn't do an intro to this video. So hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and in case you're new here, hi, my name is Carol. Karibuni sana. Here we love visitors, and if you're a channel subscriber, you know the drill. You are my favorite person. So today's video, it's a very short video, short and quick and easy video. I'll just be showing you how I prepare my veggies and store them in the freezer for the longest time I can, as in they can stay in the freezer na zitakuwa bado in good condition. So here I have this plate looking so cute. The colors are popping. I have capsicum here. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. I hope you learn something. Eat your vegetables. That's all I can say about this video. So let's get working. Here I have broccolis, 6 of them, and they are very huge. And then here I have lettuce or lettuce. I don't know how you pronounce that, but lettuce if you're Kenyan, if you're Kikuyu, but lettuce if you're extra. And then here I have carrots, French beans, green bell peppers, yellow, and these red. And then I also have minji peas that I'm about to peel, and then we prepare that. So the first thing is the obvious thing. You wash your vegetables, and if you have running water, that would work best. But in Nairobi, water is so unpredictable, so I'm going to use this. I'm going to wash them here, and then on this other basin I'm going to use vinegar to clean them kabisa. So just add generous amount in that water, and it will be good to use. I've washed everything is clean and draining the water. So the next thing is to chop everything here. Let's do that.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day.
Now if you thought I was about to throw these, I'm sorry, I can't afford to throw even a single one, because these bell peppers are so expensive. I don't know why. So here's in it, a chop into small pieces that I can use them in different dishes. Like I'm chopping everything here according to what I'll be cooking. For these one are good to cook veggies, like stir-fry veggies. They turn out so good. Plus these you can use stew or anything you want, anything else. So I'm just going to chop them into small pieces, and my knife is so blunt. I'm using a lot of energy.
Gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always.
So this is how far I am. I think I'm just going to pack this first so that I can create a room for the next things that I'll be prepping. So according to me, I chop them, the veggies, according to the mood like I have, the kind of food that I'll be preparing. Kama hizi, they're best when you cook them with a stew. And then these in your salads, mchele, something like that. And then this kind kwa nini fries, like stir fry veggies, same case na hizo. Easy, you can use them in any food that you want. So yeah, I think I'm going to pack this first so that I can create a room for the next thing that I'll be preparing. I'm going to use these peppers because I didn't find these here over here, the peppers that I wanted to use to pack them, but I'm just going to use the normal polythene bags to pack them. So yeah, let me do that very quick because my time is running. So before you tie here, you're supposed to make sure there is no air in between them. You try as much as you can to get rid of all that air. So you can squeeze that air out like that. You can use a straw and suck in that. I know that's ghetto, but it's working for me. So guys, here is everything ready and set to be stored. Over here I have mishiri. These ones I'm planning to cook them right now for supper. That's why I haven't packed them. For my dania, I ended up chopping them. I'll just cover that with a lid and they'll be good to go. And then we have minji, which I've already boiled. If you want your minjis to do what? To retain this greenness, make sure you add some salt in the water when you're boiling it. If not salt, then you can add baking soda and you'll have something like this with that cute green. And then here I have my capsicums and my bell peppers, and then my broccolis too. I ended up boiling them in salty water, so they are ready to be eaten right now. Focus. Yeah, I have a lot of them. 1 2 3 4 bunches, 4 peppers full of them. And then we have carrots, this type like cubed, then we have shredded, and then I have these with a cute shape over there. So yeah guys, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you learned something. Make sure to eat your veggies, and please, if you can, prepare them by yourself instead of buying frozen veggies in the supermarket. Save yourself some coin and do as I have done. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, make sure to subscribe, by the way. Road to 1,000 subscribers, don't forget that. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I also have jahe and idheri hapo nyuma na mbosho, frozen bananas. I want to make myself a smoothie for the good work I've done. I just want to reward myself with a smoothie.